Cinco de Mayo 2026 lands on a Tuesday, same as Election Day in November. For most U.S. households, that means a workday. The classic Cinco de Mayo party menu, 4 courses, full bar, 4 hours of prep, doesn't fit a Tuesday. So here is the AI-planned weeknight menu that does. Total active cook time, 35 to 45 minutes. The structure: 1 sheet pan or slow cooker main, 2 shortcut sides, 1 prep head topping, 1 pre-batched drink, 5 elements, not 15. 20 minutes of prep Monday night, 35 to 45 minutes of active cooking Tuesday. The example menu: sheet pan chicken fajitas, and refried black beans with cumin and lime, chips and guacamole, pico de gallo, and margarita pitcher, plus hibiscus agua fresca for the kids. Now the 10-minute AI prompt. This is the part most people get wrong. The plan only works if you give the AI 4 inputs up front. 1. Family size and dietary rules. 4 adults, 2 kids, 1 vegetarian, no nuts. 2. Total active cook time: 40 minutes from getting home at 6:15 to dinner at 7. 3. What's already in your pantry, so the AI strikes the cumin, lime, oregano, and onion you already own. And 4. Your appliances and your grocery store. Oven and slow cooker only. Kroger pickup. Give the AI those 4 inputs. For a pantry-aware planner like Recipy returns the menu, the Monday-Tuesday timeline, and the grocery list in about 10 minutes. The cook timeline. Monday night, 20 minutes of prep. Marinate the chicken. Mix the margarita pitcher. Steep the hibiscus. Done. Tuesday at 6:15, the oven goes to 425. Slice pepper and onions. Toss everything on a sheet pan. 22 to 25 minutes in the oven. 5 minutes for the shortcut beans. Plate the toppings while the fajitas rest. Dinner on the table by 7. The kid and adult problem. A Tuesday Cinco de Mayo fails when the menu is built for adults and kids end up with quesadillas. The structural fix: a build-your-own taco bar. Center of the table, the protein: tortillas, beans, rice, shredded cheese. Around the protein, a row of toppings from kid-safe to adult spicy. Cheese and sour cream on one end, pickled jalapenos and salsa verde on the other. Kids assemble cheese and chicken tacos. Adults add the rest. Same menu, same table, no quesadilla shortcut. Where general chatbots fall over. We tested ChatGPT and Gemini with the same Tuesday Cinco de Mayo prompt. Both returned a reasonable menu in 3 minutes. Both failed at 4 specific gaps. No pantry deduction. Cumin, lime, garlic, oregano, onion, all listed on the grocery list when they were already in the pantry. No grocery rail handoff. No routing to Instacart or Kroger pickup. No quantity roll-up across recipes. 3 separate recipes, each listed 1 lime instead of 3 limes once. And no timeline. For a one-off menu lookup, both are fine. For a Tuesday holiday workflow where pantry state and pickup window are the binding constraints, a purpose-built meal planner closes all 4 gaps. Pickup timing matters too. Book a Tuesday morning pickup window, 8 to 10 a.m., by Sunday night or Monday morning at the latest. Tuesday afternoon and evening slots fill faster on minor holidays. Morning pickup gives the store time to fulfill the food a few hours in the refrigerator before cooking, and a buffer if anything is out of stock. Open Recipy, give it the 4 inputs, and the Tuesday Cinco de Mayo menu lands in about 10 minutes. Menu, timeline, grocery list, pickup link, all 4 artifacts linked, so a swap on the menu updates the timeline and the grocery list automatically. Full recipes and the prompt template are at recipyapp.com. Free to use. Link in description.